Make a great choice today with the 2008 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, engine immobilizer, tires, front all season, fog lamps, tires, rear all season, FWD HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.